So guys, now I'm making from towel, make this like bird, because of apparently already make one. My niece, one of my niece like to use my towel at home, so I got this red ugly, not ugly, used towel, and it's already two holes, and this is the one that I already paint using this marker. So I'm gonna just sew it here side by side, back side as well, so she's gonna think that is something cute, while actually it's already like mm, already broke inside. So I hope that she like it. Kind of cute, right? So this is the make it from the paper. So this is the bird that I'm gonna cut it off. I don't know, I like kids so much. Like I wish that I will have one day for myself. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be a good father, but I really do hope that I will be. I don't know when, since I haven't got anybody that wants me yet. But whether one day I will meet someone, and whether I will have my own kid or my biological kid, or I have to adopt, it's fine. I hope that I can love them. I can, have to say that, be a good person for them, be a good role model, because I think every man want to be a father, I guess. It is what I was dreaming of since I was a kid. Be a father, live with my partner. Yeah, okay, it's done. Here. So I'm gonna pair it. Okay, let's turn around. So this is gonna be underneath here, just to cover up the hole from the other side. So I think I'm gonna just like use the mark to make a good like this. Okay, let me show you later. So you're almost done, just one piece. See, ugly, but at least you don't see the holes. This is the second one, halfway through. This is the first already done. I'm gonna finish it up. Look at that, the cat. At first I want it with flower, but with flower is too complicated, and it need wider towel, which I don't have at the moment. Oh, now it's tangled. It's tangled. Oh, let's go. It's okay. So I came up with the bird instead. Bird, chick, duck. I don't know how to call it. You see yourself. So I think this is gonna be my today activity, as I have nothing to do. and I don't know. And it will be finished soon. Oh, it's tangled here. How can I finish it? Okay, it's gone. In a minute. Almost done now. It's done. It's done. So here it is. The duck. Or the bird. I don't know how to call it. The bird. And I'm gonna give it to my niece. I think, I don't know whether Layla or Arsila, because if I give it to Layla, Arsila gonna jealous, but I think that they gonna use, I think Arsila gonna win the lottery because she's the first daughter of my niece, so it was like she always want to be the first one. But if she will, I can make another one next time. See. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Kitty, you don't want to say bye? Want to say bye? Bye. Say bye with your tail. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.